Hello everyone, we are Team Bongo Boltu and the solution we are going to present is agrosure.ai. So let's come to the problem. We all know that the farmers of this world are face various difficulties. If I talk about my country India, we all know that India is an agriculturally focused country. The economy of India mostly depends on the agriculture. But when it comes to the word economy, for those who bear the backbone of this agricultural economy, that is the farmers, they are being deprived from the basic dignity of economic freedom. So first coming the when we talk about economy, so there are two paradigms of economy, that is the loan and another one is the insurance. First coming to the loans, when a farmer approaches a bank, they are mostly refused for the loans. Why? They don't have a CIBIL score, they don't have any capital to show, they are mostly below the literacy level, and when a bank manager tells them something, they need to agree because they can't argue. They don't have a capital to show them that against this give me loans. We can't expect that. Here we come to change that thing. So after research, it was very it was always open, like it was like an open book, that what's their capital. The capital is the harvest, their geography, their yield, their crop. So what we have done is that we will take the remote sensing data from satellite. We will be analyzing on various paradigms, like we will be implementing remote sensing data from satellites like the Sentinel, the Soil Grid, and the two Sentinels and satellites. So what these are all the things that we are doing, but I will come part by part. So we will be taking in account into 14 parameters like the soil pH, the nitrogen, NDVI, NDMI, oxygen level, and other factor that affects the soil, the climate conditions, and via this we have used a time series model that we have customized through our own needs and the basically solving the according to the problem. So then we will be focusing on a score, we will be predicting a score that will be replacing the conventional CIBIL score for the farmers. So what will be this will affect that they can directly go to the banks. We will be tying up with the microfinance banks, and what they can do is that they can approach the banks, and we will be sending that report to the banks, and they can get contacted and get the loans. And via this, without having the proper capital and CIBIL score, they can get the loans. We are solving the age old chicken and egg problem, that if there is no capital, then you cannot get loans, and if you don't get loans, how we will make the capital. So these are the problem we are solving through our loan engine. Coming to our insurance engine is that we all know that every year, like for example the coastal parts of India and even the prairies of America, USA, that their hurricanes affect the crops a lot. Here cyclones, every year cyclones affect in India the crops a lot, and our loss are heavy. The farmers bear a huge loss. Often we can see that they have insurance, but they don't know how to claim them, or obviously we can't expect them not to be that much without like we cannot expect them to go to the insurance companies and get claims, get a lawyer and do that, this and that. So here comes our insurance engine. What our insurance engine will do is the farmer only needs to upload the insurance policy documents and one or two pictures of the damage that to with the for the proof. Now this whole thing will be putting in our own AI model, and then we will be putting into our own AI models, and we will be marking the flagged ones. We will be marking anything that they need. We will be explaining the policy documents to them in their own native language so that they can understand. And after that we will be sending this whole thing to the insurance companies, and we will make sure that they get the claims via our AI engine for the trustworthiness. And what will be there for the insurance companies, why they will settle the claims? We will bring the manual audit that takes months and weeks to couple of minutes through our AI engine. That is a very robust loophole list. We have researched a lot into the insurance thing, and we have covered most of the loopholes, if not all. And that's our power, that's our loan engine and insurance engine. And finally we have built a neural symbolic rag, Kisan Sathi, that will be helping through the daily basis query on crops, insurance, economy, maybe something of fertilizer, everything, any question. Now comes to the accessibility part. We can't expect every farmer to have a smartphone, a Pixel, or a Samsung like that, right? So what we have implemented is the whole thing that I explained so far is implemented via an IVR system and an SMS based system that can be operated via a very basic age old feature phone. Yes, we have gone to that much intricacy that even the poorest farmer can avail our services. That's our project. Now coming to the demo, I won't take much time pitching our project. Now coming directly to our demo. Thank you.
Today, I'm proud to introduce a web application that we built with one goal in mind: empowering Indian farmers with technology that speaks their language, understands their needs, and uplifts their future. Our application offers a customized dashboard where farmers can view and manage their registered farmland effortlessly. It also provides up to date agricultural news and hyperfocal weather forecasts, helping them to make informed decisions every day. One of the most impactful features is the yield prediction. Let's just have a walkthrough. Based on the type of crop, land size, expected harvest time, and the harvest method, our system predicts not just the expected yield, but also the projected income, giving farmers a clear picture of their financial outcome. As it is visible here, the prediction confidence, the amount predicted yield, and the financial projection also. Areas access to credit. Farmers can directly apply for loans through this web application right here. And our system generates a detailed farm and income report, which is automatically sent to banks and within a 10-kilometer radius, ensuring faster and localized loan processing. We also support farmers in times of loss through our insurance claim feature. Farmers can upload their policy documents, image of crop, and the damage, just as it's shown here. We can also test it through a dummy output that our app also generates with a verbal explanation of the policy in the farmer's local language, making it easy to understand. Simultaneously, the claim request is sent directly to the nearby insurers to prompt action. Let's test it for once.
तारांकन पॉलिसी कवरेज, प्राकृतिक आपदाओं, पशुधन के नुकसान, कृषि उपकरणों की क्षति, आग, चोरी और किसान की दुर्घटना को कवर करती है, पर जानबूझकर नुकसान, युद्ध।
Lastly, we've integrated a customized RAG-enabled chatbot that speaks directly to farmer in their native language, answering their questions 24/7, whether it's about pest control, pricing, or government schemes. फसल कैसे बढ़ाएं?
फसल बीमा के लिए प्रासंगिक जानकारी की गणना करें। सुनिश्चित करें कि फसल को एक परिभाषित क्षेत्र में बीमा के लिए चुना जाता है। प्रति हेक्टेयर उपज की गणना करने के लिए उपयुक्त जानकारी का उपयोग करें।
In short, we have created not just a web app, but a digital companion for Indian farmers, one that informs, empowers, and supports them at every step of their agricultural journey. Thank you.
एग्रोश्योर में आपका स्वागत है। हिंदी के लिए एक दबाएं, बांग्ला जोनो दुई चापुन, तेलुगु कोसम मूडु नొక్కండి. For English, press 4. Please tell your name slowly and clearly after the beep.
अनिल कर
Please enter your 6-digit PIN code using your phone keypad. Please wait while we process your location. Please press the number that matches your crop from the list. Press 1. Sugarcane. Press 2. Rice. Press 3. Wheat. Press 4. Maize. Press 5. Groundnut. Enter your land area in acres. For example, press 0 then 2 for 2 acres. We have received your information. We will contact you soon. Thank you for using AgroSure. As per the details we have sent on your SMS, would you like to proceed with your loan application? Press 1 to go forward or 2 to cancel. Please enter the loan amount you would like to apply for using your keypad, followed by the hash key. Thank you for confirming. We are submitting your loan request.